Hi friends, I'm Pavel from VasileandPavel. Today I want to show you something simple but powerful. How to watch our tutorials in your own language. This all started thanks to a fellow leather crafter from Germany who kindly asked us several times to make the content in German. She doesn't speak English, but she loves what we do. So we listened. And here's how anyone can follow along in their own language with just a few clicks. Step 1. Click the CC button on the video to turn on subtitles. Step 2. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Choose Subtitles, Auto Translate. Let's pick German as an example. Subtitles are now in Deutsch. Now let's try Spanish. Click again, choose Spanish, and now you are ready to craft. No matter which country you live in, you can now watch each tutorial subtitles in your language. We are a small team, but we care deeply. Thank you to our German friend and to everyone who supports us. Let's keep crafting across borders. See you in the next tutorial.